criminal complaint against the state of Colorado.
I would not. So I'm getting some complaints that you're cussing some people out.
Right, fuck the cops, right? Fuck this fucker right here, Deputy Foos.
Hey, it's your right to
Really, Foos?
Yeah?
Yeah, because they arrest me.
You want to file a
harass
complaint?
You don't have to.
You do?
You don't have to lie. When did I ever harass you?
Let me confirm that you want to...
You better pull the video,
You know
Foos,
what?
before you
You
get
know what?
stupid.
I come down here, I run a nonprofit
Hey, this is a
organization,
traditional free
and
zone.
I do a
We
lot
got
of things
federal
for a lot of
injunction,
people.
I understand.
And
down
the
here all
federal
the
judge
time.
has already said
When I go
hands
in
off
here,
on free
I don't
speech.
expect somebody to
That-
walk up to me
that
and
is
hand me a
A
card
violation of the
because
U.S.
I
First
believe in
Amendment.
the jury.
Just be aware of
I
that
understand.
before we get in
Freedom of
trouble.
choice. I don't know about handing me nothing.
In
I'm
fact,
73
I'll call
years
David
old.
That's not
Lane.
harassment.
Don't harass me.
It's
You
free
want me
Okay.
to call David Lane?
I've
you
been
keep
doing
recording.
this since I was in college, okay?
Right.
36 years I work. I've been doing the same thing.
Okay.
So I don't feel like nobody's
Um,
saying
Really?
nothing.
Can you take her inside and confirm that if she wants to
It's not
potentially
harassment
file
to
harassment,
ask somebody to take a handbill.
and so
It's
just get the
harassment.
facts,
First Amendment.
so make sure we have a valid charge. If she's willing to file a statement, testify in court,
Freedom of
we can
press.
charge him. I'll stay out here with him.
Thank you.
U.S. federal
So that's our
judge
problem.
Martinez says this
We're getting a
is
lot of
a
complaints
free
about
zone.
stuff like that,
Who
cussing
gives
people.
a fuck?
So,
It's not against the law to fucking use fucking foul language, you stupid fuck.
okay.
It's
But,
not.
yeah, it is actually.
No, it's
If they
not.
want to file a complaint,
You need to go read the fucking law, Foos!
maybe you
You're
should.
a fucking idiot!
Maybe you
You've
should.
always been a fucking idiot, and you're wasting valuable water and oxygen! Go fuck yourself!
Okay. So, I just want to clarify.
Let's clarify. 1! Count to 1! The First Amendment, Foos! 1!
Okay.
Go read Cohen! Go read Chaplinsky! You have laws to follow!
I don't need
You
to.
took an oath to uphold the law!
Right.
And you're breaking the law!
I know the municipal code.
Who gives a fuck about municipal code? You need to read case law!
No.
Cohen! Chaplinsky! Houston versus Hill!
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you do!
Okay.
Yes, that's the law of the land!
All right.
You chose to take an oath. You could have chosen to flip burgers, but you chose to uphold the law.
Okay, with you yelling, it's really not making any more of a point to me.
No, it's
So-
not because you're fucking stupid. You can't make a point to a rock.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
Really, don't you have anything better to do?
No,
Not
unfortunately,
now,
it doesn't.
actually. I don't. Fortunately, I got a complaint. Now I have to be out here. So,
No, you need
I'm
to
gonna do my
evaluate
job.
the complaint, and you need to follow the fucking law.
I
I
am.
can complain about his blue shoes. It's not a
You
crime.
clear that.
Blue shoes is not a crime, and free speech is not a crime. Both protected under the law.
Thank you.
Oh, by the way, my lawyer's on her way over here.
Oh, good.
Perfect.
Foos, I don't give a fuck if people complain about what I have to say. That's too fucking bad. Tell them to put on big boy britches. Right? I don't give
Okay.
a fuck. You know why? Because tens of thousands of fine young men and women gave their lives for the right to speak your mind.
Right. And I understand that. I do.
I give way more a fuck about those dead sailors and soldiers and their families.
Okay.
I mean, articulate. If it's a bunch of bullshit, just forget about
Morning,
it.
Stephanie. No justice, no peace. Fuck the police. And especially Deputy Foos, who has no brains. Am I free to go?
No. Because now we're investigating harassment, so you're not.
Oh, so I'm a suspect in a crime?
Yes. Yes, you are.
I am a suspect in a crime for exercising my right to free speech. Again, Denver, stop arresting free speech.
Did Jeffrey tell you that?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
So he's inside.
Okay. All right, turn around, place your hands behind your back. You're going to be detained for harassment. Okay.
Why do I need to be detained in handcuffs? Clarence, make sure he gets all my property, will you?
Okay.
All right, let's step inside. Go this way.
Why do I need to be detained in handcuffs?
Yep.
Am I a
Yeah.
safety violation?
Hey, make sure she fills out a statement. All
I
right.
have flight risk?
Go that way. Control 1.
You're just itching to arrest Eric Brandt, aren't you?
Show 1 in custody.
I'm not in custody.
Detained for harassment.
Where am I being detained? Why am I being taken down in the
For
building?
harassment.
I object to this unlawful arrest!
Investigation for harassment.
Are you going to take my statement as well? How about the statement of my witness?
Have you face that wall, please? Turn to your right.
I object to this unlawful arrest.
Just hold up right here.
Mr. Foos, you're already on my list of defendants. You really don't want to compound your problem.
Okay. Face to the left. Walk straight ahead, please. Just keep walking. Hold on. Stay there. Walk to your left. We're going to step in here. Walk about halfway inside, face the wall on the left side, please. You have anything sharp on you?
I have a top button in my pocket and my focus.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Do you have any money?
No. Is there some reason why I couldn't be given a citation and summons in lieu of custodial arrest?
Yeah, because this is a decision I decided to make.
You decided to make, so I am actually under arrest.
You are being detained until we investigate harassment.
Okay.
Okay? If we determine that that's not the case, we'll let you go.
Very well.
But until that time, we're going to hold you. Okay?
You're going to go look at the video too, right?
Well, it doesn't have audio, but I can look at it, yeah.
I know there's audio. You guys have recorded audio from that microphone before. Your track record at losing cases is significant enough that you really should consider a citation and summons if you're going to be stupid. I don't give you authority to go through my wallet.
I'm looking for money.
I'm not under arrest.
I'm looking for money.
I am not under arrest, and I do not
I
consent to this unlawful search of
Okay.
my personal property. You can search for weapons.
I'm
A
looking
Terry
for
stop
money.
allows you to search for weapons. I don't give a fuck what you're looking for. You're allowed to look for weapons.
Okay.
Weapons only.
You're going to be detained in one of our cells, and you're not going to have anything on you.
I do not consent to being detained in one of your cells.
Okay.
You do not have probable cause that I have committed a crime. You have reasonable suspicion until you have a statement. You can detain me, but you cannot hold me in custody and you cannot search me. You need to learn the law, Foos. You took an oath to uphold the law, and you're breaking the law. You ought to be ashamed of yourself! be digging in my junk, fucker. Fucking faggot, get out of my junk.
Don't resist.
What am I resisting? Am I under arrest? You told me I'm not under arrest. I can't resist arrest if I'm not under arrest. I don't consent to being strip searching for Lloyd people.
I'm just taking your belt.
You're taking my dignity. You're taking my liberty. That's what you're taking, Foos. I object to being taken into custody for reasonable suspicion of harassment. This is unlawful. Every one of you that is standing here is breaking the law. You took an oath to serve and protect. How am I being served and protected by Deputy Foos right now?
Okay. Are you going to calm down? I'm going to take the cuffs off.
I'm perfectly calm.
Okay. You going to place your hands on the wall in front of you? Okay. So when you take the cuffs off, place your hands on the wall in front of you, okay? Do you have a shirt on under the sweatshirt?
Yeah.
Take off the sweatshirt, please. Somebody just start a FR38, just get some information.
I don't understand why I'm being taken into the bowels of the jail on suspicion
You're
of
not
harassment.
you're not going to the jail.
I sure feel like I'm in jail. I'm in a concrete box, and I've got
Right.
handcuffs. My
Right.
property's been taken from me.
Right.
I don't understand what you're doing here, buddy. You already searched my junk. Get your hands out of my junk.
Okay. Have a seat in that chair. You have any jewelry on you?
No? I got a fuck cop tattoo. You want to take that?
Body piercings, nothing like that?
No.
Okay, take your shoes off.
It sure feels like an arrest to me, Foos. This isn't being detained on suspicion. This is being arrested.
Okay, hand me your boots.
It's an arrest.
Hand them to me.
You pick them up, you fucking fucktard.
Well, if I pick them up, I'm not going to give them back. So thanks for picking them up.
Why, you just get to steal people's property? Is that
No,
what you get to do?
I'm just not bending over to pick it up.
You're going to bend over, all right. You're entering into a marriage contract with me, and we're going to consummate that marriage. You're going to get fucked over the next 3 to 7 years.
Okay, that'll work.
Where did you need that battery at?
Take your socks off, turn them inside out, don't shake them. Other sock.
It sure feels like an arrest to me, Foos.
Let me see the bottom of your feet. Okay. Get your hands. Open your mouth. Under your tongue. See behind your ear. Hold on, I didn't see that. Let me see this here. Okay. Go ahead and put your socks on.
You gonna go watch the video?
Yes, yes. Put your boots on.
I don't see why I can't do this outside. I don't see why you gotta lock me in a cell like an animal. You're the animal, not me.
Did you get everything you need? That's all you.
5'9".
Wait.
You know what? That's as much as you're gonna get. You don't need any more than that.
Just have a
Go
seat.
sit out. Oh, sorry. I'm not doing your work for you, buddy.
So you're not going to give any information?
I don't need to give you any
I'm
information.
just confirming.
Do I need to give you information?
You don't have to. Kinda.
What would be the consequence of me not giving you any information?
You don't have to. You're good.
Very well.
Yeah, if we're clear.
All right, let's go, man.
All right, follow his direction.
Sure feel like a jail to me.
Dude's going to shit on your dude for you. That's when it came out. So you have witnesses saying he was causing disturbance.
Okay.
I don't know where you wanted to go with that.
Okay. All right.
You know his date of birth and everything, don't you? Somewhere.
Hi, how are you?
All right.
Can you come this way for me,
Yes, sir.
please?
Okay.
So, this is what we have here, okay?
Yes, sir.
I understand that you're very upset.
Julie, can you run down?
You're very upset.
I'm not very upset.
Okay, but this is what happened. We actually had a young female that filed a complaint.
Okay.
She said she was being harassed by both of you. Okay?
Okay.
And,
Did she give specifics on how she was being harassed?
well, she said that she was being forced to take something that she didn't want. She said that she repeatedly said, I don't want it, and what
Which woman was this? Was this the Hispanic woman or the black woman?
It was a black female.
Okay,
But then,
well, you know, I only just showed up
I
there.
know, let me finish.
Okay, sorry.
She said it was both of you.
Right,
So
so we
then-
know that she's not telling the truth because I already just
So,
got there.
when I went up there, I asked to review the video and asked her to clarify what exactly happened. And then I asked her, I said, was it the guy that was wearing a bright t-shirt? She said no.
Okay.
So, what happened was, we went and detained you based on her filing a statement saying both of you harassed her.
Okay.
I viewed the video, you weren't there. So that she said it was the other guy that harassed her. So she recanted her statement and filled out a statement saying it was the other guy. So, I apologize for detaining you, but we have to do it once we get a probable cause statement from a citizen that says, I'm being harassed.
I agree that you need to detain. I don't agree that Mr. Foos needs to take me to custody and search me and go through my property. That's way beyond a Terry stop. I've never been combative. Yeah, I'm vocal. I'm absolutely vocal. I don't need a megaphone. I'm louder than Karen Sidaro. We all know that.
Okay.
But I'm never a security risk. And so detaining me properly on the plaza was perfectly appropriate. Mr. Foos is gun happy. He's trigger happy, and he loves to take Eric Brandt into custody. He will not issue a citation and summons because, nope, you're going to jail. I mean, we have this relationship, you know.
But
And there may be some training there.
But here's the
If
thing.
he's going to serve and protect, he needs to serve and protect pond scum as well as everybody else.
Okay, so let me explain something to you. Deputy Foos is part of the Denver Sheriff's Department that works on the floors and outside in the public. He would be in violation of our policy if we have a citizen that is actually saying, that's the person that is shoving stuff in my face, and I want to file a complaint, and we don't do anything.
I agree with you.
So,
Yeah.
you know,
But a full
wait,
custodial detainment
I-
is a little
well,
much, I think.
it's not a full custodial containment. You have to understand, is we have no place to sit you upstairs and wait for a police car.
I've sat on those blocks before.
I know, but
You
there's
know,
no
how many
guarantee.
times have I been arrested on this plaza?
But there's no guarantee you're not gonna take off.
You
know
have
what I
that
mean?
guarantee because
And
you
and
know
we,
me.
And we can't just sit there and have you sit, I mean, how would it look if you're just sitting there and we're just standing there like this over here?
It would look
But
how
you
it
know what?
should look. It should
would-
look to the public as seeing the police involved
And then
with
you guys
somebody.
put it on your Facebook right away.
Oh, of course
and
we
then
do.
So.
Yeah. You know the game, you know the game.
So, you know, and I think that the history that you and Deputy Foos have is, you know, is probably gonna be there because you're on this side of the line and he's on this side of the line.
Well,
and-
no, I don't disagree with that. We are
Well-
on the same side of the line.
Okay, so, but he's not a bad deputy. He's not a bad
That's not my
deputy.
experience.
So,
Would you like to see a video? I'll bring you a video of Deputy Foos detaining me and preventing me from coming into the courthouse at all for the simple fact that I wouldn't tell him what I was doing here. He demanded that I tell him my business, and I was not allowed to enter the courthouse until I told him what my business was, and I told him what my business was. You want to know what I told him? I said, my business is my business. This is an open courthouse.
okay.
And that's the answer. So no, Deputy Foos has not convinced me that he's one of the good guys.
Okay, well.
And there
you
are
know
many
what?
who have. Deputy Luke, I have a great admiration for Deputy Luke.
Okay.
Deputy Foos, if he's really a good guy, he really needs to show it to me, because he's not showing it to me.
So this is what I would think. I'd be more than happy to look at your video. But I think there's always two sides to the story, and somewhere there's your side, there's Deputy Foos' side.
Let me tell you about my side of the story. When we finally get video for things in court, my attorneys are a little impressed that my fidelity of events is much better than anybody
Okay.
else.
And then in the middle, there's the truth. So, the reason that you were detained was simply for the reason that we had a black female that said that you was harassing her along with another guy after clarifying with her and saying, listen, what color shirt did the guy actually have? What was he wearing? What did he look like? did he have a bright, and the only reason I could explain you
So,
is I said, was he wearing a bright fluorescent t-shirt? And he said no, she said no, so, you know, like I said, once again, we apologize.
Now, let me ask the question, is Mr. IANNICELLI being detained?
Who?
The other gentleman?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Is he being arrested, or will you give him a citation and something?
well, we don't give a citation, so Denver police will probably give him an order and ticket, and then we'll release him, but we have to.
Well, if you don't, can I go up there to make sure that all of our property is there? He has my property, I'd like to take his property.
He gave his bag, his phone, everything to the.
Oh, shit, I don't even know who she is, she's probably not up there
She
anymore.
had a dark coat on the side.
I haven't met her yet. Can we go up there, he needs to be
Yeah,
up
we're
there.
gonna give you the
Could we
property
please?
and we'll get up there.
Yeah, could
Okay?
you ask him to hold him there so that I can at least get my property back?
Well,
Could you do that for me, please?
He gave everything he had to that female.
Did she leave already?
I don't know if she's still up there or if she left.
Should we try and get, if I can at least get her name from Mark so that I can get my property back? I don't even have a way to get home.
Let me ask him what the female.
If you could just have a seat for a second.
Am I being released? Can I just leave?
Well, yeah, but if we're gonna get that information.
Okay.
Right.
Hello, I'll be with you in 1 second. So.
15 that's correct, we're in the basement, and the sheriff's department holding here.
He said Katie Donnellan.
I don't have
Katie
anything to write with.
Donnellan. So we'll.
I do have a pen in there.
So we'll just we'll run up there real quick and see who's there for you.
Can I go with you?
Yeah, we'll go in a second. We're in a secured area, so I just need you to hang out right here.
Are you a good guy, Foos?
I think so.
Are you gonna prove it to me? I don't hold grudges.
Okay, good. All right.
I don't hold, I'm an asshole.
Right.
We're over that. But
I'm just going to be fair.
I don't hold grudges. Well,
If
you
you
haven't exactly been fair with
if you were to complain to me about something somebody else did, I would treat them
Right.
equally.
But does that say Donald?
Donnellan.
All right. Thank you, Captain.
Just know that.
So,
If that were the case.
when Adrian Brown came in the courthouse one day and you detained him and you said you had a reason to believe that there was a warrant for his arrest and you made him late for court, is
Right.
that being fair to Mr. Brown? You really didn't have reason to believe that there was a warrant for his arrest.
I did, and you know why? You want me to tell you why?
Yeah, I do.
Because the day before, he made a comment to one of the staff that he had a warrant. So that was my reason to contact him the next day.
Make sure that that's not probably.
But it's enough for me to stop him and to see. That's why I stopped him. He didn't have one, I let him go to court.
I'm going to bring that.
What do you have to say about the incident July 27th when you prevented me from coming into the courthouse?
I contacted you because a lady complained, just like today, about your behavior outside, complained to me that you called her a cunt. That's why I contacted you.
So you said you had to tell me your business.
This way or with you?
That way.
You didn't tell me any of that. You said that I had to tell you my business before I could come to the courthouse.
No, I did tell you that.
Recorded event.
I know. I've seen it.
You haven't seen it yet. I haven't published it yet.
No, I've seen it.
I haven't published it. It's impossible.
I've seen it.
Did I publish it?
So, that's why I contacted you. And being you caused a disturbance and you didn't have any business in the courthouse,
So you didn't know that I didn't have any business in the courthouse?
but you didn't tell me that.
I didn't have to tell you that. Right? I don't have to tell you my business. I don't have to carry papers. This isn't Nazi Germany.
Well, if you weren't going to tell me, if you just said, hey, I'm going to 3G, I would have been like, all right,
I
I'm
didn't
good.
have to tell you that.
Okay. Well, then I assumed you didn't, and that's why I kicked you
Well,
out.
you can't assume that I have business. I don't have business.
Well, I based it on the disturbance you caused.
That I would about whether or
What kind
not
of
I can.
come out there? Is that? My bag is going good. Do you have my property bag?
Yes.
All right, are you taking Mark into custody?
I don't know, I'll find out when we'll see you guys.
Perfect.
You have a good day, Mr. Brandt.